Hello everyone. Have you all heard of the hottest ebook on the market right now? It's a stock book and it looks like this. Oh my god, who's this guy over here in this far corner? Oh, where is it? This guy over here. TheStockTeacher.com. It's an ebook and it's about the stock market. And I bet most of you don't know that in all investments, including real estate, gold, oil, bonds, and the stock market, which one produced the best results in 10 years, 50 years, or 100 years? I bet most don't know this. How about if I told you it's the stock market by 60,000%, and the other ones only had like 2 or 3, 4, 500%. Nothing even comes close. Now, how can that be when so many people lose money? Well, it's because they buy when the analysts tell them to buy, and they hold them when they should have sold them. But the analysts never tell them to sell. They'll tell them to hold all the way down when a market falls all the way back almost to zero, like LA Gear or so many other stocks. Well, in my course, I am going to show people how to really trade. Let me give you an example. You see this chart right here? See this blue circle? There's a blue line and a red line. And when this blue line crosses this red line, that's when you buy. And you don't buy at all these wiggles and waggles. You wait until the trend is confirmed. All right, now this trend is confirmed, and usually we don't want the bottom 5 or 10%, and we don't want the top 5 or 10%, but we'll surely take 60, 70, 80% of the whole trend. And most people don't know what the real trend is, and they always get shaken out. So let's say, for instance, you buy right here. It's not an emotional buy. You're not buying because anyone tells you to buy. It's a mechanical buy. The line's crossed, tells you to buy. All right, so you buy. And this happens to be Apple Computer. Right there is about $120 a share. Now, the market goes up, and it comes back down. Should you sell? Well, a lot of people would because they get scared. But look at my blue lines and the red lines. No way. You hold up here. It goes flat for a while and it goes back down. Should you sell? Well, most would. Well, look at the blue line and the red line. No way. Now the market goes way, way up here and starts to come down a little bit. Should you sell? Well, that was at $330, and look at the blue line and the red line. Now the market is at $350 a share. Should you have sold way back here, or way back here, or way back here? Of course not. Most people don't know that the trend lasts much, much longer than most think so. Trends can last for 12 months, 18 months, 2 years, and most don't know. This works in commodities, gold, silver, world markets, and this market. Would you like to see a cheap stock called Ford? Let's just take a look at Ford for a minute, okay? Let's see here. We're going to change the symbol to F, which is Ford. Here it comes. There's Ford. Now, do you see this crossover right about here? Again, we don't get the very bottom of the market because you never know when the market is. This could have been the bottom, or this could have been the bottom, or this could be the bottom. You don't know until the lines tell you right about here. So let the market move up a little bit and confirm the trend. Okay? Now what happens is right here, this is about $4. Now, it was at $2. But $2 could have went to $1. It could have went to 50 cents. It was at like $30 at one time, and it came all the way down to $2. So no one knows where the bottom is. So we wait. The trend confirms itself. Right about here, we buy it at $4. Ford goes up. And right here, it comes back down. Should we sell? No, of course not. Look at these lines. Goes up here. Oh my God, I got a nice profit. Oh no, it's coming back down. Should we sell? Most would, because they get scared. They have no idea. Well, look at the blue and the red line. Then it goes way up here, and it comes way back down here. It's actually at $19 right here, and comes way back down here. It's at a little $14.50 right now. Should we sell? And then all of a sudden it goes back up at the end here. It's at $15.47 right now, and of course it's not a sell. Okay, so it's very, very simple. My course is the best course in this country. Wow, that's confident to say that. I say that because I took in courses from the very best out there. The world record holder Dan Zanger. He made the most amount of money in the shortest period of time. I was his student. I've taken IBD strategy, Investors Business Daily. I've taken so many strategies and I've spent so much money. And most of the time, all you get is a lot of general knowledge. And if you want general knowledge, the library and the bookstore, you can get 10,000 books and come home with courses and books and tapes, and you have 30, 40, 50 strategies that are all general stuff. If you want to learn how to trade, you've got to pinpoint, you got to focus, you got to take one or two good strategies, you got to master it. And my course is going to show you one of the simplest, most powerful ways to trade the markets, the commodities markets, or world stock markets. But remember this, no margin. We trade with no margin. We trade no futures contracts directly. We do them only with options. And this is what we call as low risk, high profits because of the strategies that we use. I just want to let you know what I've been doing lately. I've been having a lot of fun putting this ebook together. And of course, my stock site is the-stock-teacher.com. Let's look at it once again. thestockteacher.com. It's been up and running for more than 5 years. It's starting to get a lot of hits all around the world now, and I just want to let you know I'm having a lot of fun. Thank you, and talk to you later.